Good morning. I am E.Nalina, Assistant Professor in CSE Department in RMD Engineering College. I am going to take a topic multi-tier application architecture in the subject software development practices. So we'll see what is a multi-tier application architecture. So to understand about the multi-tier application architecture, so an entire application program is one that is distributed among three or more separate computers in a distributed network. So the three categories of entire application are user interface programming in the user's computer, business logic in a more centralized computer, require data in a computer that manages the database. So this architecture provides the software developers to create a reusable application with a maximum flexibility. So when it comes to an entire, it can be referred to as 2-tier, 3-tier, 4-tier, etc. So it is suitable for support enterprise level client server application. So it can provide the scalability, fault tolerance, reusability, and maintainability. So the application, the pictorial representation of the multi-tier application architecture looks like this. That is the presentation layer, application, and the database. So here the application works. So the presentation will give the data to the application, and application in turn will give the data to the database layer, and this will form a cycle. So in this way the multi-tier application architecture works. So this can be given as an example of makemytrip.com, so in Indian Railways, Amazon.com. So these are where the multi-tier application architecture works. So multi-tier application architecture, there's a distributed network. So we'll see what is a distributed network. So the components in a distributed network, the components are located at a network computer coordinate and communicate their action only by passing messages. So it is a collection of multiple systems situated at different nodes but appears to the user as a single system. So this will be located, the computers will be located at different places, but by passing messages only these can communicate with each other. So it will be seen as a single computer because when there is any changes made in the one system, that will be replicated in the other system. So it provides a single data communication network which can be managed separately by different networks. So the management can be made separately. So there is a single data communication network. For example, and different clients are connected with the LAN architecture on one side, and another side they are connected to high-speed switches along a track of server containing the services nodes. So in the labs also we use the LAN system where the uh, every system will be connected in LAN, but as a user we will be knowing it as a single user. So different students will be using different systems, but they are connected in the LAN architecture, so it can be viewed as a single system. So this is known as the distributed network. The message passing can also be done by the distributed network. Thank you.